everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen from Second Story Furniture. If you're looking for a pretty little video showing a beautifully organized workshop where the magic of furniture refinishing happens, then consider this a warning. This is not the video for you. This, unfortunately, is my current reality, my scary reality. I just wanted to share my spooky and messy workshop with you. You can see some of the products I use, lots of sandpaper, lots of stain and paint, and I definitely need some help in organizing what I have. You can see eventually here some of the pieces that are in progress, and some pieces I haven't even started yet. No, I'm not a hoarder. No offense to anyone who identifies as one, but I do love to collect pieces of furniture that I don't have room for, obviously, and that I think I can transform for the better. But you know how life happens sometimes, and I never seem to have as much time as I think I do to finish everything. And according to my family, this all should be called my half-finished furniture store. Did I mention this garage is not heated? It kind of puts a damper on working on this stuff in the winter. But anyway, I get so much inspiration from many different YouTube channels, and the most recent one I watched was a workshop tour from Transcend Furniture Gallery. I have major workshop envy from the very organized work area she created. Oh well, it is what it is right now. And as you've probably guessed, I'm new to creating YouTube videos, but I hope you'll subscribe to my channel so you can see what all this scary mess turns into. Well, the furniture pieces anyway, not sure the garage will ever be anything to brag about. I'm hoping to eventually show everyone how I work with what I have and how I plan to pay off debt by flipping my furniture pieces. Happy Halloween, everyone.